In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to the University of California, Berkeley. If you're planning to apply as an undergraduate, the first thing to know is that Berkeley uses the centralized University of California application. That means you won't apply through a separate Berkeley-only form. You need to submit your UC application between October 1st and November 30 of the year before you want to start in the fall. Berkeley does not offer early decision, and it does not accept spring applications for this process, so timing is very important. Before you begin filling out the application, make sure you meet the academic requirements. Berkeley expects students to complete the A through G college preparatory coursework in high school. This includes 15 required courses across subjects like history, English, math, science, a language other than English, visual or performing arts, and a college prep elective. You'll also need to meet the GPA requirement in those A through G courses taken during 10th and 11th grade. California residents need at least a 3.0 GPA, while non-residents need at least a 3.4. It's also important to know that Berkeley is completely test-free, so SAT and ACT scores are not considered in the admission process. Next, get your application materials ready before you sit down to submit anything. One major part of the UC application is the personal insight questions, often called PIQs. You'll answer 4 out of 8 prompts, and this is your opportunity to show more of who you are beyond grades. Focus on your leadership, creativity, personal growth, and unique perspective. It also helps to have your high school transcripts nearby so you can enter your coursework and grades accurately. In addition, gather details about your extracurricular activities, awards, volunteer work, and any jobs you've held, since all of that can help present a fuller picture of your experience. You should also be prepared for the application fee, which is $80 per UC campus for US residents and $95 for international applicants. If needed, fee waivers are available based on financial need. Once your application is submitted, Berkeley uses a holistic review process. That means they look at both academic achievement and non-academic factors, including community involvement and challenges you may have overcome. After submitting, you'll receive an email inviting you to create an account in the MAP Berkeley portal, where you can track your application status and stay updated. Finally, if you're applying as a transfer student or to a graduate program, the process is different. Transfer students still use the UC application, but they must also complete lower division major requirements. Graduate applicants apply directly through Berkeley's graduate division.